Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how can you use Microsoft Excel for free. So for using it for free, search here Microsoft Excel and then go to this link, free online spreadsheet software. So here you can see if you have not registered with Microsoft, you can make your account in it, and if you are registered, sign in and just wait. So here you can see the Microsoft Excel is loading. So now click on create blank workbook. So just wait, it is creating. So here you can see the Microsoft Excel is opened. Now you can start using Microsoft Excel for free, and you can use all features whatever available in it. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.